Hey there, so we're here with the G200 high overrun batch freezer. This machine can be air-cooled or water-cooled. When it is air-cooled, the condenser is a little different than some of the other Bravo machines. In this case, the condenser is on that side, meaning that the hot air is going to be pushing out that way. So you need about 1.5 to 2 feet of room on this side for the hot air to leave. And then that means it's going to be drawing in air from this side on the right side of the machine if you're facing the front, and that's where you're going to want to have 1.5 to 2 feet for it to draw in. The nice thing about that is it means that the back of the machine can be flush against the wall, but then you just need to have some space on the sides. The breathing is actually happening kind of down below here. You could have a prep table on the intake side, and as long as there was nothing blocking the low side, that would be okay. So under 85°F for all air-cooled machines. Your right side from the front is going to be where it's going to be bringing in air, so you wouldn't want to have the hot discharge from another piece of commercial refrigeration right near here, and it would be going hot air out then the left side of the machine.